Hey everybody, Mike Wrench Mike. We are here at the Copart in Dyers, Indiana. Or is it Dyer? Dyers? Dyer? I don't know. It's a nice place, friendly people, clean building, and they pulled a couple of cars for us. Randy is over there doing one of his infamous walkarounds, and I thought I would get in on the action. G-I-O-T-A, Giota. Yeah, we're getting in on the action. We're going to start off with a Mercedes S600. Monkey, Wrench, Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yep, there it is in all of its glory. Would I like to have a 600? Yes. Do I have a 600? Yes. Do I want a second 600? I don't know. This is actually just a parts car. I kind of wanted to show you guys what's going on here. This one, of course, has a suspension issue. But look inside. Looks pretty familiar, doesn't it? Except, holy moly, somebody went to town and ripped this thing apart. Every single seat is ripped. Every single seat. Oh. Okay, can you see what's written on the dash?
What does this mean?
Somebody wasn't happy. Ho. Who owned this car? A hoe. H-O-E, baby. Oh my gosh, somebody was getting even when they tore this car apart. What kind of a history would this car even tell us? I found something right here. Oh, strikes and spares. Stay, relax, enjoy. And a little Mercedes first aid kit. My car doesn't have one of those. This is the infamous S600, the V12 engine. Is it even going to start? I don't think it's going to do anything. I think it's dead as a doornail. Yeah, she's a goner. She's a goner. But anything, we know that it came from Madison. Okay, Madison, Indiana. But a stanky old hoe had this car right here. How cool is that? Obviously, this is somebody I would not want to date. No sirree, Bob. We can't take a look at another one until we get inside this one. We're going to compare engines and just kind of see. What do you think about the wheels? I kind of like those. I really do. I like the ones on my car. But I got to say, I do kind of like these wheels right here. Focus on that. Focus on that. Not what I'm doing. Here we go. What's the engine look like? This is just like mine, except the star is missing. Yep, and we have, this is probably the top of a radiator fluid bottle right there. And of course, the spiders have moved in. What an engine though. What a big, old, powerful engine. This one's greasy and dirty. And all of the little bolts are still attached. These are probably original coil packs right here. All right, there you go. There's your 600. The S600 belonged to a hoe. Rain is coming down right now, and I gotta tell you, I've always wanted one of these. Back it up, Mike. Back it up, back it up. Take a look at this. Yep, Range Rover. This is a 2010 Range Rover, 169,000 miles. She's sitting kind of low, which is fine, but I've always wanted one of these. I'm a glutton for punishment, aren't I? Take a look at this. Look at how nice. I just like the wood. I like the feel. I like the seats. I like the sitting position. Let's see if she's going to start. Let's see how she sounds. Let's see how she sounds. Let's see how she sounds. There's no key. We don't have a key. Okay. Well, that's unfortunate. That is really unfortunate. But look at this interior. You can't say you don't like it. Look at how nice it is up here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, Mike really wants one of these. And I am dumb enough to buy one. All I need is money. How many miles? 169,000. Yeah, just like on the window. But this one has no key. And this has a whole bunch of stuff in the glove box. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. Powder. Sunglasses. This is a lady-driven car. and a lint roller. She smelled good, she looked good, and her eyes were in perfect condition because of the sunglasses. Back seat of the car. Look at this. I don't want the Sport though. I don't want to take anything. This, it's a little tight. You don't get a whole bunch of leg room in the Sport. But it is a nice place to be. I like the interior. This is weird. Okay, that goes right in your back. When the headrests are all the way down, your back is right here and your head is way up here. That's why you have to put these things up. What I like. Mikey likey. Here we go. The lift gate, of course. 2. And look at that. Okay. It's a little dirty in there with the ruler. She was a strict mom. Here we go. Range Rover HSA. I'm trying to be quiet as Randy goes ahead and does his little walk around. Love it, love it, love it. Tires look good. If this would drive home and they give it to me for $2,000, I'd buy it. I don't think that it will. Let's go back to our high school days. Yep, in the high school parking lot. Stillwater High School. You were the coolest kid in school if you had something like this. Well, of course, I don't think the hood was like that. I don't know, because I don't really know much about these Firebirds. American Cars and Mike are just kind of new to each other. Okay, this is a Pontiac Firebird green from I don't know when. I really don't know when, but look at the paint. A couple of issues right there. Just look at how cool that is. Okay, let's take a look at the inside and we'll show you. Wow, that is the heaviest door I think I've ever opened. That's a door. Look at this little skinny steering wheel. And a weird, oh, okay, that's something. The smell in here is something special. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. I don't think it has any keys though. I don't see any keys. Look at this though. Oh, oh, oh. Gosh. Who had a Camaro? When I was in high school, somebody had a Camaro and he was literally the coolest guy. Okay, no, really the coolest guy had a Jaguar V12, an old Jag. What do these things do? Look at this. That must be like a vent. Look at that. Okay. Brake release, washer. No air conditioning, I don't think. Defog button. And an old, is that A-track? Nope, that's just a AM FM. That's just AM. Look at this. Oh, we're going back many years for the Pontiac Firebird. I don't know what's under the hood, and I don't really know what I could say about it. But let's take a look. I don't even know how to get this open. Oh, here it is, right here. If you reach under here, this should be the release. Oh, we did it. We did it. Okay, let's see what happens when I pull up. Come on, Mike. I can't get it up. Wait, I probably should not say that like that. I can get it up. I just can't open the hood. Here we go. Oh my gosh, this thing weighs a ton. No! Look at the tiniest little air filter in the history of air filters. Look at the little baby. Wow. So much room to work on this thing. No air conditioning that I can see. It does have power steering and an alternator, and that's about it. Wow. Holly heads, Edelbrock. Wow. Okay. This is cool. It's not me at all. It is not me at all. But this thing is cool. Watch Randy go crazy on this one. There it is. Pontiac Firebird.
I'm getting rid of the Roadrunner. I'm buying that.
I would agree. We have I don't know. That's a nice car though. That's
so
nice.
Rude.
This is the car Randy wanted me to see. This is the car Randy wants me to buy and take home. And right now, it's raining like a mother. Okay, this is an Audi TT. It's not the convertible. I've always loved these. I really love the convertible. The buy it now, right here. $1,400 on that car. $1,400. Says it's a run and drive. Let's see if we can get inside real quick. I don't want to get the camera, well, my phone. 163,000 miles on this thing. Let's just get in here and close the door. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Wow. How cool is this? Look at this. It does have power. Looks like it has a Bluetooth radio right there. I've never driven one of these. I don't know that much about them. But look how cool this car is. Look how much leg room you do not have in the back. There you go. That's the front seat. That's the back seat. Yeah. Why do you even have a back seat in this? I don't know. Mahoney's Auto Service, 162,000. So it had an oil change just 3,000. Well, just 1,000 miles ago. Okay, it's got some kind of a pike pass looking thing right there. The tach, look at that, turns red at 6,600 RPM. This I like. This is really cool. You get some owner's manuals. So this is a 2004 for $1,400 bucks. Does this work? Yes. Should we try to start it and see what happens? I don't know where Randy is. Let's just kind of do this and just see what happens. Okay. Service in 10,000 miles. It still thinks it's 2004. No, that's because they changed batteries and everything. Check engine light is on. There is no gasoline, but look how cool that is. What does it look like with the lights? I guess the lights are on. There. Oh. Ooh. Let's see if it just moves. It goes a little bit. Here we have sport. Heck yeah, it moves. We'll go backwards. Look at this. Okay. The brakes are a little wonky. A little squeaky poo. I like it though. I really do. Let's just see what it looks like under the hood if we can while it's raining. Okay, I think that's going to do it for us. Let's see here. Sorry about the raindrops. Oh my gosh. Don't like it, Mike. Don't like it, Mike. Don't like it, Mike. Don't like it, Mike. You don't need it in the car. You really don't. Here we go. Is there coolant? Is there? Ugh. There's a little bit of coolant. The engine sounds really good though. Little 4-cylinder, I believe. 5-valve, 4-cylinder. I don't know why this is all right here. That's kind of weird. Look how smooth it is. Oh my gosh. Don't like it, Mike. Don't like it, Mike. Don't like it, Mike. This is kind of cool.
Smell that exhaust?
Is it sweet?
Just verify it. I don't know.
That's weird. Yeah. There's just a little bit in the overflow bottle. Yeah. Well, it is raining like cuckoo out here. And there it is, the 2004 Audi TT. Yep, there's water everywhere. And that concludes my second walk around at Copart with some cars that I do know about and some cars that I have no idea about. Check out one of the coolest cars of all. Yep, the red one. Yep, the Audi A7 Quattro. Randy's going to have more about that on his channel right there. So head over to AAR, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Thanks for watching, everybody. We're back. We're going to check in with the Purple People Eater. We're going to start our drive home. So that's a whole nother video you want to go ahead and check out. We'll see you soon. We'll see you back in Oklahoma. Fingers crossed. Bye.